my name's Paul from Business Internet Training. I've spent the day here at InTouch on a training course for CRM. I thought actually CRM was going to be really boring, shall we say. It's all about just emailing and keeping in touch with your customers. A couple of things. First of all, I found it quite exciting. Second of all, I found it really creative. Some of the stuff that you can do with this InTouch software package is absolutely amazing. I'm convinced now that it's going to add figures on my bottom line, which is the main thing we're all interested in business. But most of all, I'm really reassured that in future I'm going to give all my customers the service that they deserve. So it's been a fantastic day for me. I'd recommend InTouch to anybody.